Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a super quick and easy way to underline text in WordPress. Whether you're writing blog posts or designing your site, this trick will save you time and make your text stand out. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll be able to underline anything in WordPress in just a few clicks. First, let's log into WordPress. Open your browser and head over to the WordPress website. Click the login button in the top right corner. For a faster login, select Continue with Google and choose the Google account you want to use. Once you're in, make sure the correct account is active so all your site settings are ready to go. Now, we're on the WordPress dashboard. This is your control center where you manage everything about your site. Take a quick look around to familiarize yourself with the layout. Next, let's jump into the site editor. Scroll down to the Click Edit Site. Here, you'll see all the elements of your site. Find the text you want to underline and click on it to select it. Apply. Underline. Here comes the magic part. With your text selected, simply press Ctrl-U on your keyboard. Instantly, your text is underlined. No need to dig through menus or formatting bars. This shortcut is fast, easy, and works every time. Once your text looks perfect, don't forget to save your changes. You can preview your site to make sure the underlined text appears just the way you want it. And that's it. Your text is now ready to catch your reader's attention. And there you have it. Underlining text in WordPress has never been this simple. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more quick WordPress tips, and drop a comment if you want me to cover other formatting tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.